Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I bring for you natural hairstyle, easy to protective to styling without gel. So it's better to watch the video up to end so that you can find here is a natural hairstyle. Number one, it's protective. Number two, makes you feel comfortable. Number three, you feel really natural with your hair, with your real hair. So if you want to find here something to put on your hair, it's better watch the video up to end. I bring for you four different natural hairstyle. An important thing, it's protective your natural hair. This next video, it really show you how to put spring twist on your natural hair, and the same thing, you feel so comfortable, you feel so good, and it's easy to this. You can put any design you should like to use. So guys, now we first put some treatment. After that, we start to plait our twist. So if you don't put any treatment, that means it can be hard for you to plait this spring twist. Okay guys, enjoy the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more beautiful natural hairstyle, for more hair for black woman. So take your time to comb your hair. You have to take your time. Put enough treatment on your hair so that if you started to plait your hair, it makes you feel easy, and the same thing, it makes your customer to feel okay with you. Okay guys, so look at this one. Now we started to put spring twist or to plait our spring twist. I hope you're going to like it, you're going to enjoy it. About this hair twist, spring twist, number one, it helps your hair grow. Number two, it protects your hair. Yeah. Number three, makes you feel so comfortable without any extension. Yes, you just feel okay with natural hair. Number four, if you want to put any design on this spring twist, you can. Look at this, it's really so transformation, it's really so good. Look at this one, it's really nice. And so I hope there is someone who like it. You can visit your salon, your salon, your hairdresser, to tell her to put for you this natural hair twist. So for the next video, we're going to style natural hair. On this style, you can use it for your wedding, your birthday, your party, your graduation. You can use this one. On this one, hairstyle, natural hairstyle for you, we put some gel, a little one, so that it can, so that your hair can look more beautiful. So if you don't want, you can talk this with your hairdresser. So guys, I hope you're going to like it, you're going to enjoy it. This is really so easy. If you're a beginner, you want to learn something, you want to learn how to style it, just subscribe this channel. I posted hairstyling, especially natural. So I hope you're going to find here. If you don't find here any style, don't worry about that. Always posted hairstyle, and you can check on my old video so that you can enjoy your natural hair. After that, you have to put some makeup so that our client feels so beautiful and okay with her natural hairstyle. So guys, this is Loads of Africa TV. We share natural hairstyling, some simple makeup. Look at this. This is really, really so beautiful, natural one. She's still we use her natural hairstyle. Look at this. It's really so beautiful. She looks so good. Look at this, guys. Tell me something, guys. I hope you like this. This is so beautiful, guys. This is so beautiful. Wow. Wow. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you more. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to share. And share your what you're thinking about this natural hairstyle. What is your advice about this beautiful natural hairstyle? Enjoy the video. God bless you more.